Eu sou professor. I am a teacher. Eu estou na escola. I am at school. Tu és estudante. You are a student. Tu estás na sala de aula. You are in the classroom. Let's jump to the lesson 3 of our Portuguese language learning adventure together. Before we learn about nouns and articles, if you haven't watched these videos yet, please do so. In this video, we are going to learn about the pronouns and two most important verbs in Portuguese, ser and estar. That means to be in English. Let's check out these two examples first. Eu sou o Nikesh. I am Nikesh. Eu estou em frente à câmera. I am in front of the camera. Here, when I said I am Nikesh, I said eu sou. But when I said I am in front of the camera, I said eu estou. Here is something interesting. When I said I am Nikesh, I said eu sou. And when I said I am in front of the camera, I said eu estou. Both means I am. Either you say eu sou or you say eu estou. There are two verbs to say is, am, and are in Portuguese. One is ser verb and another one is estar verb. Eu sou o Nikesh. I used ser verb here. And eu estou em frente à câmera. Eu estou. I used estar verb here. So, here is a helpful tip. When we talk about who are we use ser verb. And when we talk about where are we use estar verb. We will discuss about these verbs and I will make you very clear how to use these verbs in different contexts. But before we start, let's have a look at the conjugation. Eu sou. Eu estou. I am. Tu és. Tu estás. You are. Você é. Você está. You are. A bit formal. Ele é. Ele está. He is. Ela é. Ela está. She is. Eles são. Eles estão. They are. Elas são. Elas estão. They are. When there is a group of female. Vocês são. Vocês estão. You all, I mean plural, you are. Nós somos. Nós estamos. We are. Now we know the conjugation of ser and estar verb with pronouns. Remember, we use ser verb to talk about who we are, where are we from, what do we do, and many more. And we use estar verb to talk about where we are at the moment and what we are feeling right now. Now, let's have a look at the uses of the ser verb. We use the ser verb basically to talk about our identity, our relation, and our name. Eu sou o Nikesh. I am Nikesh. Tu és a Emma. You are Emma. Ele é cozinheiro. He is a cook. Ela é a minha filha. She is my daughter. Vocês são os meus amigos. You are my friends. Use number 2. We use SER verb to talk about our origin or our nationality. Eu sou do Nepal. I am from Nepal. Tu és de Portugal. You are from Portugal. Ele é nepalês. He is Nepalese. Ela é indiana. She is Indian. Use number 3. Use SER verb to talk about your profession. Eu sou professor. I am a teacher. Tu és estudante. You are a student. Ele é médico. He is a doctor. Ela é cozinheira. She is a cook. Use number 4. Use SER verb to talk about characteristics and personality. Ele é muito simpático. He is very kind. Ela é tímida, mas inteligente. She is shy, but intelligent. Eles são altos. They are tall. Use number 5. Use SER verb to talk about date and time. Hoje é segunda-feira. Today is Monday. São 3 horas. It's 3 o'clock. Hoje é dia 8 de agosto. The date today is 8th August. I hope you are very clear now how and when to use SER verb. Remember, when the question is, who are you? Where are you from? What do you do? Use SER verb. Now, let's have a look at the uses of the STAR verb. Eu estou em casa e estou muito feliz. I am at home and I am very happy. Eu estou em casa. You notice here that when I talk about my current location, I use STAR verb. Estou muito feliz. I am very happy. And I use STAR verb to talk about my current feelings. Let's have a look at the 4 basic use of STAR verb. Use number 1. When we talk about the current weather conditions. Está frio hoje. Today it is cold. Está calor hoje. Today it is hot or warm. Está sol hoje. Today it is sunny. Use number 2. Use STAR verb to talk about the current location. Tu estás em casa. You are at home. Ele está no trabalho. He is at work. Eles estão na escola. They are at school. Nós estamos na sala de aula. We are in the classroom. A caneta está na mesa. The pen is on the table. Use number 3. Use STAR verb to talk about your current feelings or current emotional states. Você está cansado or cansada if you are female. You are tired. Elas estão felizes. They are happy. O Nick está triste. Nick is sad. Use number 4 to talk about ongoing actions or to talk about continuous action. Eu estou a falar. I am talking or I am speaking. This is one of the most important use of STAR verb, especially in European Portuguese. Use STAR verb that is conjugated plus a plus any action verb that you are doing at the moment. Eu estou a ensinar. I am teaching. Tu estás a aprender. You are learning. Ele está a cozinhar. He is cooking. Ela está a trabalhar. She is working. Eles estão a dançar. They are dancing. Remember, in European Portuguese, this is very common to talk about the continuous action. So practice this pattern as much as you can to speak or to talk about the continuous action that you do. O que estás a fazer? What are you doing? O que estás a fazer? Eu estou a ensinar agora. I am teaching now. Eu estou a descansar agora. I am taking rest now. Ele está a cozinhar agora. He is cooking now. Ela está a cantar agora. She is singing now. Eles estão a dançar agora. They are dancing now. Remember, this is the way to say the continuous action in European Portuguese. I hope that now you are very clear about the use of STAR verb. You can now practice the usage of SER and ESTAR verb together, as we have already discussed about the SER verb in our previous video. For example, eu sou professor. I am a teacher. Eu estou na escola. I am at school. Ele é médico. He is a doctor. Ele está no hospital. He is at hospital. Eles são cozinheiros. They are cooks. Eles estão no restaurante. They are in the restaurant. Nós somos amigos. We are friends. Nós estamos na festa. We are at the party now. I hope that you are now very clear about the SER and ESTAR verb, how to conjugate them, and also when to use the SER verb and when to use the ESTAR verb. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and share this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.